This is the girl who will be always in my heart.
A bit of history.
First, I would like to tell you welcome here in Radovljica.
Thank you.
Now we are at this medieval Lichard Square. Once, in medieval days, this square was full of different crafts. Yes, Radovljica was an autonomous city. Actually, here was produced everything what people needed for life in the past. Yes. And you know, when Christopher Columbus discovered America, that is more than 500 years ago. And our house was already here.
Oh, this one.
This one is our house. And once it was a part of the castle behind. And the owners were Count of Württemberg. They have this castle for their own service and manager. And then 250 years later, our house became independent. And the family who lived here had a daughter, Ursula. And actually now this some kind of love story with the gingerbread began. Ursula fell in love, I think here, in one boy, Jacob. Yes, but Jacob was a master of gingerbread bakery. That's how they started. They were very successful with the gingerbread factory. They had also a lot of kids. And then one of those kids, Janes, renovated the whole house to a restaurant, as you will see later, and the guest room. And that was the year, as you can see here, about the portal, 1822.
Wow.
This is the oldest part of the house. That was a little of history. And on those medieval days, actually, they baked the gingerbread only on big family or church meetings, and also as a wedding gift, or as a substitute for a sweet word given as a gift by two lovers. Yes, and then they see that people love this gingerbread. And then, so actually this family here actually, who they have the honey. They have the bees, so they have the honey, and then they have all the products of the honey. So they have the honey, they had the gingerbread, they had also the grappa that is made with honey and schnapps. Yes.
It's alcohol.
It's alcohol. Do you drink alcohol?
A little bit.
A little bit. And they have also non-alcoholic with chestnut honey, and also they do the candles. So all the products with the honey, yes. And this was all on these stands, yes. So we prepared you also this, so you can try it. I will bring you also some water.
Yes,
Thank you.
So,
Time to taste.
this is the chestnut honey. You can try it alone, or you can try it with bread. And these are the gingerbread products which are fresh. Yes, and with alcohol. The honey with alcohol.
This is the same? This is
Yes, the same.
Gusto mo?
Dobar dan. It's a special taste.
Yeah.
Slovenian way.
Okay. Tapang.
Yummy! Let's now discover the gingerbread workshop. how those red hearts are made.
It's 55 years old. Yes, it's still in good shape except the mirror. So that's why we do an edge around the mirror that is more fixable. Yes. This is the oldest. And then this one also bring to us one lady from Ljubljana. So this heart was also made here, and it is 48 years old. Symbolize growth and development. All these symbols are some kind of synonym for our relationships with the friend, with partner. So we need just the white flour. Then we need several spices like mint, coriander, anise, cloves, nutmeg, and also a little bit of ginger and the chestnut honey. That's all. Actually, our gingerbread product can stay for the whole our lives, or maybe more. Yes. As you see, there is no eggs, no milk, no butter inside. So first, we heat in a hot water the chestnut honey. Then we put, when is the honey a little bit liquid, then we put all these smashed spices inside and mix. Then when the honey mix is getting cold, that is around 6-7 hours, then we can slowly put the flour into the top and mix. And when the dough is mixed, have to rest like this for 14 days on this temperature. Yes, because of the honey and all these spices, then they go to the whole dough, because there is no sugar, nothing like that inside. When these 14 days are gone, so we knead a lot, we roll it. Then we have also this, our good friends, that we can roll it like that. We roll it and then we have the same flat. Yes?
Yeah.
And then we can form different shapes. So we have shapes for all the occasions. But of course, the most popular here are the hearts, all the sizes. But on those medieval days, actually, they use it from this. When it was the winter, they carved from the wood, but they were popular the animals. And then the dough goes here, yes, and then to bake. That was on those medieval days. Now we use it, the hearts, we have also the shapes. Very popular is also the angel, of course, the bells. Then we have also, the Slovenian bird. Yes.
If you stand it up, penguin. Penguin.
Yes, it's Slovenian bird. And butterflies for the kids. We have everything actually, but the popular most are the hearts, all the sizes. So then we bake them here in this very old oven, which is actually more than 80 years old and still working. Very good. We bake them around 10 minutes on 200 degrees. And when they are baked, have to rest again. Then they get a little bit colder and harder. Then they are prepared to the painting. So we painting like that. Gelatine and natural red color, which is nowadays made from the berries. But those medieval days they use it from the red wheat. Yes. Also, this gelatine on those medieval days, actually they use it from the pig fat. Yes. So then we paint the hearts, and when the hearts are dry, then the next step is to decorate the heart. I will show you this heart.
Oh wow.
Actually, this heart is from the year 95. And as you see, it's still in good shape. Yes, and hard like a stone. The red color symbolizes love and passion. Then the yellow bow symbolizes eternity. And then the green grass with the flowers symbolize growth and development. All these symbols are kind of synonym for our relationships with a friend, with partner. We are growing with our relationships, and we would like that it will stay for eternity. And then in the middle we can put some sweet words, verses, names, numbers, or we can put the mirror. Actually, the mirror is from the old medieval days. You know, there were not so many mirrors in the houses, and the girls can admire themselves, just in the where? In
Water.
Yes, in the river, in the lake.
Okay.
Yes, but our boys were a little bit smart, but they were shy. So they put the mirror in the middle of the heart. Yes, and when the boy goes like this to the girl, and then he said, "Oh, as you see, this is the girl who will be always in my heart."
Now let's make some hearts. And that's the end of our little journey in a workshop in Slovenia.